Hi, I'm Eugene.
And I'm Vladimir. We are founders of Eva Polar.
At some point, we've all felt uncomfortable due to the hot weather. Even if room is equipped with air conditioner, the cooling engine often can't cope.
And of course, each of us wants to set the temperature comfortable for himself.
We discussed this and came up with the idea of creating a personalized solution. We created Eva Polar, the world's first portable air conditioner designed for personal use. It can be used to enjoy cool and moist air exactly where you need it.
Eva Polar achieves this cooling effect the same way air is cooled in nature, by water evaporation, creating this natural breeze that cools your body gently. It's a very safe and reliable cooling principle, unlike the one used in conventional air conditioners that can easily give you a cold or flu.
As the major element in making Eva Polar, we used the specially developed high-tech evaporative material. It consists of mineral nanofibers. Although it has a simple look, the inner structure is complex. This material allowed us to take a fresh look on a conventional air conditioner and exclude anything that makes it bulky. It was also very important for us to develop a material that is not only safe to use, but absolutely eco-friendly.
Eva Polar was made to naturally fit the interior design, be it in the office, at home, or any other place you need it. Think of your personal comfort here. Finally, you can get rid of things that are cluttering up your space and control climate around you by yourself.
Eva Polar is very easy to use. All you need to do is to fill the removable water tank, select the desired power, and relax as you feel cool within a short time. It is noiseless and does not vibrate. This will help you to focus on what is really important for you.
In today's world, technology can serve people in simple and invisible things. Over the last year, we've done a lot, making our way from the idea to the finished product. And now we need your help to succeed in the next step.
All you need to do is to select the pledge, and don't forget to tell your friends about it. Join us. Spread the word.
Enjoy personal coolness!
We all have a freezer at home, right? It's a household appliance that never gets a break, and we keep it running day and night. Why not use all that surplus energy to keep yourself cool? Geyser is an eco-friendly, ice-powered cooling system that uses a special cooling gel that has amazing running costs, just under 1 cent a day. Even the casing is eco-friendly. Geyser is made of good old high-grade insulating wood. This means that the ice pack defrosts at a snail's pace, lengthening the operation time greatly. It's ventilated all round, giving 360 degrees of cooling power. It's small too, which means it's portable and can be used wherever you need it. It's powered by a LiPo battery and can be charged via micro USB. Geyser has no on-off switches and only works if the two parts are connected. This makes it safer for children and pets. Damiano and Ferdinando are two young architects with a passion for 3D design and experimentation. This is the result of a lot of hard work on their part. They opened their firm 2 years ago and couldn't afford an air conditioner. That's when they came up with the idea of making a system which had lower running costs than an air conditioner and which worked better than a fan. The first plans were drawn on paper and then turned into 3D models. The first prototypes were made using a 3D printer. After an in-depth study regarding possible materials, wood was chosen for its outstanding insulation qualities. Then, the best components for long service life and performance were chosen. The cone-shaped ice pack acts as a diffuser, defrosting itself over a timescale of 5 hours. There's even an insert for an air freshener, just inserted into the base. To turn on Geyser's fan, just line up the 2 blue dots and pop the lid on. Geyser is available in natural wood finish or paint finish, with 2 different ventilation grids. Like it? Why not show your support and take one home today? Might be nice to cool off a bit.
experience in engineering highly technical products with expertise in thermal engineering and aerodynamics, electrical engineering, and industrial design. For the past 2 years, we've been developing Noria from the ground up. Along the way, we've developed numerous prototypes as we perfected the technology. We're ready to make the next step and bring it into production. Now we need your help to bring it to your home.
This is Coolmore. It is a hybrid air conditioner, cooler, and fan personalized for your individual needs. With Coolmore, there's no need to cool the entire house to enjoy cool air. Let it direct the cool air where you need it most. Coolmore can also be used as a personal beverage cooler. The easy access design gives you quick access to your drink without hassle. Keep your drinks cooler longer and enjoy them when they're most refreshing. Just insert frozen bottles or ice packs to keep your drink cool for hours. Or just use it as a desktop fan to circulate air for the perfect breeze. And best of all, Coolmore is USB powered. It costs almost nothing to run. It may just be the ultimate device for the summer. We need your help to bring Coolmore to the market. We hope you will support us. Thank you for watching our video.